Hey floor cleaners, it's John here, and in this video I'm going to talk about when is the best time to reach back out to your customers to get them back onto the schedule, the best practices, the hacks, the cracks, and all that cool stuff. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I run a company called Ads Grow Business, or AGB. We specialize in one industry and one industry only, the floor cleaning industry, and we specialize in one thing only, getting floor cleaning businesses like yours booked out with jobs on autopilot using our specialist digital marketing system. I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many floor cleaning businesses as humanly possible, not just survive but thrive, whether that's through working with us on a one-on-one basis inside of our program or through this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So I want to talk about the best time to follow up with, to reach back out to your customers to get them back on the schedule, and the best ways to do it. So I've talked about this before. I want to talk about it a little bit more in depth now. So like, one of the easiest ways to grow your business, to scale it, to take it to that next level, one is obviously to generate new customers, but one of the best ways is to keep selling to the customers that you've already got, right? To upsell them, to have repeat business from them, so on and so forth. And one of the best ways to go about that is to get back in front of them periodically, right? Let them know, remind them that you exist. And probably the best way of doing that is via SMS text message. It's instant, it's very quick, it's very effective. And you know, if you get a message on your phone, normally it's like your friends or your family that text you, right? So you're going to open that message up to see who it is when your phone starts making that noise and vibrating and all the rest of it. So the deliverability of it, the open rates of SMS is obviously huge. So SMS is a great way to get back in front of your customers and to get them back on the schedule. Now, how often should you text them in the floor cleaning game? Well, you don't want to be texting them every week. That's just spam. And if you've just cleaned their floors a week ago or carried out whatever service they requested a week ago, they're obviously not going to be interested in your service again. And that's probably the quickest and the best way to lose a customer. And I'd probably say, again, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, a month, it's probably a little bit too soon. So I always say 90 days. So 3, 6, 9, 12. So you're getting back in front of them 4 times a year. It's not huge. It's not going to annoy anybody. Nobody's going to find it too spammy, especially if the text message isn't too salesy. It's like, hey, it's Bob here with AB Steamers. Just wanted to reach out to see if you need your carpets cleaned or your floors cleaned again. If not, that's no worries. Have a great day. If yes, just shoot me a message back and I'll give you a call. Really friendly, not too spammy. Every 90 days, 4 times a year, happy days. I think that's fine. Every 3 months. So that's my advice. If you want to get back in front of your customers, use text messaging. The deliverability of it's great. The open rates are obviously massive. And if anybody gets a text message, they're obviously going to open it and see who it's from. So that's great. And doing it every 3 months, it's not too soon. It's not too long. It's somewhere in the middle. It's 4 times a year. And if the message isn't too spammy, if it's not too salesy, you're going to do fine. So that would be my first piece of advice in terms of getting current customers back on the schedule. The next one would be email marketing, using emails to get back in front of the customers. And I think with emails, you can do it a little bit more often because emails are a little bit less intrusive. It's not something that like a text message, which is a lot more personal, right? Everybody gets loads of emails every day from different vendors and companies, Amazon and Netflix and this and that. So it's not uncommon for a person to get lots of like sales orientated emails. So people don't take it too personally and people are less bothered when it comes to receiving emails, right? So with emails, you can definitely do it, I would say, like once a month quite comfortably with your latest offers. If you've got a referral scheme, hey Linda, it's Bob here from AB Steamers. Just wanted to remind you about our referral scheme. Any person you send our way, tell them to mention your name. And for every person that you send our way, you're going to get a free room of carpet cleaning, right? Whatever. Sending that email out, and then she goes to hang out with her girlfriends one night at the bar or at the book club or at the nursery where she picks her kids up from or whatever it is, and she like gets, hey, yeah, listen, if you need your carpets cleaned, by the way, I know a really great guy, and then just by sending that email out, you've got 5 new customers, right? And this is the thing, you know, as you build up your customer list, you know, let's say over a course of a couple of years, you got 200, 400, 500,000, whatever it is, people on that list. You only need one person to actually do that, send you a few referrals out of that whole entire database that you've emailed, and that's generated you another 5 customers. And then another email on another month. Could be maybe doing like a Black Friday special or a summer special or something like that. And again, you know, that gets you back in front of your customers as well. And again, you only need, if you've got 200 people on the list from your customer base, you need 3 or 4 people to go, hey, yeah, I do need my carpets cleaned, let's go. And that's another 4 or 5 jobs. So I think with email, it's definitely less personal, it's less intrusive, and you can do it once a month with ease. And with text messaging, I think every 3 months, because it's a little bit more personal. You're literally SMSing people. You know, there are laws around that as well in America, get into a bit of trouble. So I think every 3 months, 4 times a year, make the message really personalized and not spammy or salesy. You'll be absolutely fine. So that's my advice when it comes to following up with your customers and getting them back on the schedule. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button so that you get notified when the next video comes out. And if you'd like to find out more about working with us on a one-on-one basis to take your floor cleaning business to the next level, head down to the description below where you'll find a link to schedule a call with us. See you on the next one. Laters.